AI offers some incredible opportunities as a tool for developers, but we might not want all of the many AI services out there to be scraping everything we publish on our websites to be used as their training content. Now, there are ways to tell these bots not to crawl our data, and Netlify Edge functions can help make this pretty straightforward. Now, the simplest way to disallow bots from crawling your sites is to state this in a robots.txt file served from the root of your site. A robots.txt file is designed to instruct web crawlers about what content on your site they can and cannot access. The robots.txt file will need to include a rule declaration for every known AI bot you'd like to ban from scraping your content. Now, since the list of AI bots is rather long and likely to get longer still, it can be helpful to generate the file in order to avoid typos and errors. This also means we can reuse the same single list of AI bots for something else. More on that later. Most, if not all, web frameworks make it trivial to generate a file from some data. For the sake of illustration, I've not used a framework for this example, and instead just made a tiny build script. This script adds the following declaration to a robots.txt file for every item it finds in a separate list of user agent strings for known AI crawlers. Let's take a look at the declaration we need for each bot. Here's our list of AI bots held in a JSON file for convenience. Serve the resulting robots.txt file from the root of your site, and AI crawlers should honor it and not scrape the content of your site. Keyword being should. Sadly, not all AI products respect the rules found in a robots.txt file, so we need to reach for another option for additional confidence. Edge functions give us a low latency, high performance way to filter the requests being made to any resources in our sites. Adding an edge function to a site is as simple as adding a TypeScript or JavaScript file to your site at this location, where Netlify knows to look for your edge functions. Here's an edge function that compares the user agent string of the incoming HTTP request and compares it to our list of known AI bots, returning those requests an HTTP 401 response while letting all other requests proceed as normal. It uses the same list of AI bots that we created to feed our robots.txt file. Sadly, some bots have been found to misreport their names in their user agent strings, so we can't rely on that technique alone either. Doubling up, however, and using both of these techniques should do the trick. Now, how about we turn this into a utility? Those who operate multiple sites might find that this could be useful multiple times. It feels like a good contender to be packaged up as an integration, which could be enabled with a couple of clicks for any of your sites. To learn how to do that, I'd recommend our guide on creating a Netlify integration to insert edge functions into a site. I'll link that in the description box for you.